Hello and welcome to the John Ark Show. Today's episode is called Zombie Home Foreclosures. Before we begin, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. Free is the operative word. You should also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to help spread the word. Now, let's get started. If you believe that the economy is very strange now and that the real estate market is even stranger, then let us tell you how weird it really is out there. Everybody knows what a foreclosure is. That's when the homeowner can't afford to make their payments anymore and the bank initiates a foreclosure process to take the home back from the owner. But there's something very strange going on now. It's called the zombie home foreclosure, and wait till you hear this. There is now a fast-growing number of homes out there where the owners can't make the payments anymore, but guess what's happening after that? The banks won't foreclose on the homes. They won't even try to take it back. Why is that, you ask? Is this some sort of financial trickery? Well, listen to this. The reason is that foreclosures can cost the bank more effort and money and time than the alternative. A loan in default not only isn't paying any income to the bank, it also requires them to spend money. Banks will often refuse to foreclose on a home if the HOA dues are sky high and the property is worth much less than the balance owed on the mortgage. Plus, the banks have to pay for hazard insurance and taxes. Owning a home can be a burden, especially for those who wish to surrender a property the bank does not want to take back. Frequently, the homeowner has vacated the premises and the property sits unoccupied for months or years. This can impose significant burdens for the bank even after bankruptcy is completed and the underlying mortgage debt is discharged. Regardless of whether the mortgage debt is discharged, the debtor owning a vacant home faces the following problems. As long as the home is in your name, you may be held liable for those who become injured on the property. If there's a dangerous condition on the property or if it's snow-covered, sidewalks are causing people to fall down, then that's going to be a problem that you are liable for. In addition, the insurance company must know that the home is vacant since the policy may be conditional on the homeowner occupying the home. So if you're still living in the house and not paying the mortgage, then you have somebody slip on your sidewalk or the snow or something, and you haven't been paying your insurance, then guess what? There's a lawsuit coming for that as well. You will be liable. Next, what about homeowners' fees? Well, although filing a bankruptcy may discharge the homeowners association dues that exist when the case was filed, future homeowner dues are not affected by the bankruptcy filing, and debtors commonly get hit with paying these ongoing fees. It's been well documented that many banks struggle to produce all the required loan assignment documents necessary to begin the foreclosure process, and many banks have been found guilty of manufacturing phony loan documents just prior to initiating the foreclosure. In short, the bank may not foreclose because it does not have the required loan documents. So, what should the homeowner do in the meantime if there's no foreclosure coming? Well, you can live in the home rent-free. Debtors often don't vacate the home until the bank has scheduled the foreclosure sale. It's often common for homeowners to save the money they would have paid to the mortgage company in a separate account so that they have enough funds on hand to hire a moving company and pay the rent deposit on the next home. Next, you can rent your home. If you must move to another location, consider hiring a real estate management company to rent the home on a month-by-month basis. Renting a home is a burden, and it's advisable to find a company that can collect the rent, evict non-paying tenants, cut the grass, etc. As long as you can rent the home and pocket the cash, who cares if the bank even forecloses? You can also try and sell the home. The basic problem facing homeowners is that they cannot sell the home for what they owe the bank. However, individuals in bankruptcy have a special power to sell a home free and clear of the mortgage liens. The sale proceeds are then deposited with the court. So if the bank will not take the home with the deed in lieu of foreclosure, and if you cannot negotiate a short sale of the home, consider filing a request with the bankruptcy court to force the bank to accept the sale. Another option is to quit claim the deed to the bank. This option is somewhat questionable since many experts in real estate law say that forcing a deed onto the bank is an incomplete transfer. Now, we're not lawyers or real estate agents, so you should consult with a lawyer before you make any decisions. Everyone's situation is different, so you and a lawyer should discuss all the options very carefully. And if you are going to walk away from the house, make sure you have enough money saved and a high enough credit score so that you can get another place before you file for bankruptcy. Because once you file for bankruptcy, it's a whole different ball game. Also, you may need a larger down payment. You'll have to save up for a larger down payment because someone with bad credit or challenging conditions will need a larger down payment to rent a place. If you can't rent on your own, then you may want to consider living with family or friends. Good luck, and thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to help spread the word. Thank you, and we shall see you soon. Bye-bye.